Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I am doing a 1 month roundup before and after video of my house. So about a month ago I got the keys to my new house and it needed quite a bit of work. I took some nice videos of what it looked like beforehand and now I'm going to show you what it looks like a month later after I've done some renovating and some decorating. Not all rooms have been touched. Some rooms I've done absolutely nothing with and others do look completely different. So here is how I've got on the last month. This is the main bedroom, or my bedroom as it will be. It's not a great deal in this room. We've got some cool little cupboards that I quite like. I think I'm going to keep those. I found a little hole. It currently has laminate flooring, but I don't really like it. I'd rather have carpet in here. So I will take this laminate up, give it a lick of paint. And I also need to replace the door. And then this is my bedroom. So we've done the wallpaper in here. It's now a nice bluey green colour. I've still got pictures and things to put on the wall. I've got different curtains now, which is nice. And then we've still got the built-in cupboard area. We've got a nice chest there. So slowly coming together in this room. And this room is my daughter's room. It's very green. Everything in this house is very green and orange. So again, laminate flooring, that'll be removed. I'm just going to have a plain carpet. It's just what it is. It's a very square room, decent size. Got a bit of a sloping ceiling, which I actually quite like. This is my daughter's room. Now that it has been decorated, there are still a few boxes still to be unpacked here, and she doesn't have a bed yet. She's only just turned 2, so I'm going to get her a toddler bed, which will go there. Here is the gorgeous wallpaper in here. This is all old furniture that I painted in a really nice colour. I'm going to get her either some more shelves, possibly, to put all of her books on, or maybe a wider bookcase. But that's it so far. And this bookcase I made out of a pallet with my dad a few years ago. So that's coming very handy. So yeah, this room probably has had the most change out of all of them so far. And the third bedroom is this one. This was originally going to be my daughter's room because it is bigger than the second room I've just shown you. However, in this hideous cupboard is a boiler, and I just feel a bit weird about her being in a bedroom with a boiler, so that will be coming out. Again, very green in here, but nice sloped ceiling. There's also a built-in cupboard, so I'm going to replace that door as well. And this is going to become my office / studio room, which will be nice. This is the room that will eventually be my office, but it is currently the dumping ground for boxes and decorating materials that I'm still using or have not unpacked yet. This cupboard is also a cupboard of doom. The person who I bought this off has left loads of junk in there, so I haven't got into it to pack anything away. But yes, junk room. Let's swiftly exit this room. Now, this is the living room. It's very teeny tiny, but it's got a lovely wood burning stove. It's got 2 built-in shelving units. Above that is brick, so it is the original one, so I won't be taking it. It would be nice if they were symmetrical, but they're cute either way. I've got a nice bay window. I'm gonna build a little seating area here, but this also pulls up, so I've got extra storage underneath that, which is cool. This is now the living room. This has probably got the most stuff packed or unpacked into it, which is nice. Got some new curtains up. The orange room has gone, and finally got a sofa to sit on as well. So yeah, that's the living room. This is the kitchen. Like, they call it kitchen diner, but you're not really going to get a dining table in here, but I'm going to have a dresser. And this is the kitchen. The kitchen will be taken out eventually. This is going to be a big purchase, so I'm not going to do it for a couple of years. I need to save for that. Here is the kitchen. Again, I've been moving stuff from my storage unit in here, so there are bits and pieces in here that are mine already. And here's the kitchen. Nothing has really changed in the kitchen. I've done no decorating in here. I don't plan to do any decorating in here for a while because I do need to replace the whole kitchen. But I have now got a little sideboard in here. My desk is downstairs at the moment because obviously we've seen the office room. And I now have a fridge in here, which is great. So this is the kitchen. And the conservatory. It's quite a nice space. This will be my daughter's playroom to begin with, and I'm going to put a dining table in here as well. And then once she's older, we will turn it into the official. The conservatory is slowly becoming a little bit of a dumping room, so I need to sort that out. We had my daughter's birthday recently as well. But the walls are no longer pink. That is about the only bit of decorating that has been done in here. And then that goes into the bathroom. Again, very orange. This house is orange and green. This is fine for the moment. I will repaint it eventually. I'm not too keen on the stark white tiles, but for the moment it's fine. Nothing in the bathroom has changed other than we've moved our stuff in. That's pretty much it for this room. No decorating yet. So that shows you everything that I've managed to get done in the first month of being here. Looking back, I realise I've done more than I thought I had done, which is quite nice. There are still plenty of rooms that I need to get cracking with at some point. That is my little update for now. If you like that, then like and subscribe for more updates on this new house.